It's gonna be around this corner, isn't it? Oh, some birds. Don't do that, don't do that. They get mad, they get mad. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. I couldn't resist, I couldn't resist, couldn't resist. I'm sorry! Damn it, Jim! Fuck me, dude. Shouldn't have done that, shouldn't have done that. They knew I would do that too. They knew I would do that shit too. Pro tip, don't shoot the fucking birds. God, the gamer in me took over. I'm like, hey, what happens if I shoot the bird? I should have known they would have jumped me.